Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Sorry about that glitch at the beginning. I was just trying to show you guys that my counters were actually dirty and so was the sink. I just got done making my pineapple ginger juice. Ruby had asked me about her Celsius and why it smelled different, probably because it was in a cup, but anyway, I'm having the orange one. Most of this video is just going to be me taking down fall decor. I did upload the Instagram reel for this video yesterday. I was having technical difficulties with this video, but I'm finally getting it up. Also, I am posting all of my Instagram reels to my YouTube shorts now. It's a little bit shorter of a version. Instagram gives you 1.5 minutes and YouTube shorts is only 1 minute, but you guys get the idea. Now you guys won't be missing out if you don't have Instagram. Do you guys ever get that feeling that something's on you? I thought maybe it was like a piece of hair or something. I just blew it off. I'm like, okay, I didn't see anything. But then I felt it again. And I'm like, Ruby, do you see something on me? Lately, we've been seeing spiders in the house and we live in the woods. It's very woodsy around here. So we see some spiders sometime, but not like the one we saw the other night. That thing was humongous. And now I always feel like there's something crawling on me. Now I'm just going to hand wash my cutting board and my pan and then get started on taking down all the fall decor. If you guys saw my fall decorate with me, I really did not put out much, but for Christmas, I'm going all out. Now me and Ruby are getting started on filming the reel. Like I told you guys, whenever I have an extra pair of hands to help me with the reel, I will take advantage of it. It just makes it so much easier to edit. You'll see me freeze in place a few times. That's because I want to pick up where we left off with the last clip. Ruby's getting a lot better at this. She's still only a teenager, so she's like, how long do we have to do this for? How much longer? What do we have to do next? And literally all she's doing is stopping and going on my phone. But her birthday's next month, so she better stop playing with me. There was a clip of me putting all the stuff from the counter into the bin, but it got deleted for some reason. So now we're in the living room just picking up a few things, and then I'm going to bring the bin over here and load it up with the rest of the fall decor. I think I brushed up against the wall and had like a white patch on my butt, and Ruby pointed it out and I was like, oh, the other clips. But then I was like, you know what? Whatever. I'm not even gonna be bothered. And then I'm like, no, get it off. Have you guys seen that TikTok of this kid at school and he like does a back bend and then leans up against the wall like, oh, what a wonderful time. That's what me and Ruby were talking about here. Candace had sent me a video of it the other day, and that just cracks us up. And I thought I would leave this clip in because this is my real smile. You guys rarely see. There's 6 bins here. One is for fall decor, one is for my usual decor like greenery and stuff like that, and then I have 4 bins of Christmas decor because one year I did like a red theme, and then last year and the year before that I did more of a neutral theme. I'm gonna try to blend them both this year and see how I like it.
could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside.
The last thing I'm doing is dusting and wiping down a few surfaces so it's nice and clean when I come back to put out my Christmas decor. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will make more like this. Stay tuned for my Christmas Decorate With Me. That'll be up next week. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.